is the most famous island in the Gulf of Naples. You can visit it on a day trip from Naples or from Sorrento. But is it worth a day trip? We will try to answer this question in this video. We reviewed its top attractions, and if you wait till the end, we will give you some extra tips for a perfect day trip in Capri. Our day started with a visit to La Grotta Azzurra, the Blue Grotto, the most famous attraction of the island. We went there with the first boat of the day, followed by little rowboats. This is how commuting to work looks like in Capri. We stopped in front of the entrance of the Blue Grotto and moved in one of the rowboats. The entry to the grotto is already an experience. You need to completely lay back to allow the boat inside.
No. Oh, mamma mia! Oh, mamma mia!
The spectacular color of the water you see inside is the effect of the light filtering through the small entrance of the grotto and reflecting on the surface. This magic atmosphere is enriched by the boatmen, who exploit the fantastic acoustic of the grotto and start singing famous Neapolitan songs. Just a heads up, the entrance ticket can only be paid in cash. We then continued with a boat tour to see the whole island from the water, its high cliffs, lighthouse and astonishing watercolors. And then the famous Faralloni, gigantic rock formations that make Capri Panorama unique. They say that this one with the hole in the middle looks like King Kong. Can you see it? Kiss your beloved one under the arch Farallone. It's for good luck. In the historical center, you can only move around by feet. The easiest way to go there is to take the cable car. If you're brave enough to go on foot, keep in mind that it's a steep uphill of 2 kilometers from the harbor. Better to walk on the way back. The historical center of Capri is marvelous. Small alleys, elegant yet authentic. Get lost in them. A must-stop in Capri is a visit to the Augusto Gardens. It's a poetic yet refreshing and relaxing corner of paradise from which you can admire incredible views of the Faralloni. From Augusto Gardens, you can continue to Krupp Alley, a curvy path that goes down towards the coast. When we were there, it was closed due to maintenance works. Let us know in the comments if you had the chance to walk on it. So, was Capri worth a day trip? Definitely yes, it's a little gem, and we'll share now some extra tips with you for a perfect trip there. 1. Arrive in Capri very early in the morning and head immediately to the Blue Grotto, because it can get very packed and you would waste a lot of time waiting for your turn to enter. 2. We know that Capri is a luxury destination, but there are a lot of stairs, so dress comfortably. But I like to be comfortable when I travel. 3. Capri is an expensive island. If you're looking for a cheaper and nearby option, we suggest Ischia Island. Watch this video for more info. What is your opinion about Capri? Let us know in the comments below and subscribe to our channel to see more videos about Italy.